Yo, what's up guys? Edward here, Deadly Crypto. So, I just wanted to show you an example of how complicated some of these scams can be on the internet. Even something like YouTube can get a lot of people and get a lot of people to send a lot of money to fake scammers. So, let me show you here. This is a YouTube video that is live, right? I saw this right here on the side, so I'm going to take a look at this other one over here that I'm looking at right now where my mouse is. We'll take a look at that one in just a second. But this one I wanted to show you. As you can see, Vitalik Buterin is talking here live, so this is a live interview. And here they have this nice little banner, right? So it says, oh, blah, 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 this is the official Ethereum event. And so you think that because this is live, and that you see Vitalik Buterin there, that this might be a real event, a real giveaway, or something like that. So to participate, you just need to send 1 ETH, anywhere from 1 to 1,000 ETH to the contribution address, and they'll send you back 2 to 2,000 ETH. So they're saying that they'll 2x your money, saying that they're going to 2x your funds, and that's just not true. That's absolutely not true. Sorry for the poor quality. I can see some fuzziness back here behind me. I didn't get my green screen set up quite properly, but I saw this. I was doing something on my YouTube and I saw this live, and I've been wanting to make a video like this, so I just got right into it. But anyway, let's take a look, and let me show you. Let me tell you flat out, this is a straight scam. If you send Ethereum to, if you go to this website, blah blah blah, do any of this stuff here, you're not going to see that Ethereum ever again. Let me show you. This account says it's from Ethereum, and they've got 8,000 subscribers. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, so you see blah blah blah. This is posted today. It's a live event. So now let's go look at their videos. Well, look at the videos they've uploaded. They've been building this account for some time to make it look legitimate, because you have to have a certain amount of subscribers before you can actually live stream. So they've been doing whatever with these videos, and all of a sudden they've been working up for this exit scam. So boom, they're going to drop this live video. They might even do it again later. They might delete this live video, do the same thing again, and get people to send money to some whatever fake address that they've built. So this is not real. This is not real. This is not Vitalik Buterin. He's not doing a giveaway. Let me take a look at this one. Shiba Inu by Elon Musk. Let's look at this. I can't believe there are so many bad people out there, and we're really just trying to help you guys learn how to trade crypto, and there's people like this that are so disgusting. Alright, so let's take a look at this guy now. Let me see. I'm going to turn this down. I don't know how loud the desktop audio is actually, so let me turn this down now in case my audio was too low. Look at this. So this is supposedly live with Elon Musk. See, Elon Musk is here live. This is pre-recorded. This was live. Even if this is a live event, I'm actually not sure if this is a live event or not, but they are using OBS. They're using OBS. They're using something that I'm using right now to make this video. If I can go to my display capture, let me go to my other screen. Look, this is what I'm using to make this video. They're screen recording it, and they're editing it, and they've got this layout set up, so that way whenever you are looking at it, you can see here. If I go to one of these other intros, I've got it already ready to go. So all this stuff can just be pre-set up, however you want. You know what I'm saying? This is garbage, guys. This is garbage. Don't fall for this. So I know people who have, I know my own personal friends who have fallen for schemes like this. Let me go to this account now. Look, they have 427 subscribers. Oh, so let's see, the official Shiba Inu account, right? 427 subscribers. No, it's not. Go look at their video. You just go and look at their videos. So some people are just going to watch this video. They're going to say, oh, man, for more info, I'm going to go to shibaevents.us. Let's go. Let's see what that is. shibaevents.us. Not secure. Imagine that. More info. To participate, you just need to send 200 million SHIB. To 20 billion SHIB? Is that right? Jeez. Look at this, man. This is crazy. So, yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Once we receive a transaction, we will immediately send the requested amount back to you. So, if you send money to this, you're done for. They have some fake transaction hashes here. This is absolutely garbage. Do not, do not fall for this. Welcome to our site. Oh, blah, blah, blah. This is not real, bro. You're not real. Excuse my grammar. You're a scammer. Yeah, I failed on that one. But anyway, I'm in a rush to make you guys this video. Look, there's just garbage. There's no comments. Comments are turned off because they know that people like me are gonna be like, this is a scam. Stop watching this. It's a scam. But they turned it off, and now all these poor innocent souls are probably sending their money away. You know, their hard-earned money, wherever it came from. So sorry about this being so long. Let me just go to this one now. I'm gonna see ethfunds.net. It's like almost the exact same URL setup. Look at this. It's like a basic template. This site has been reported as unsafe. I'm not even gonna go to this site. Look at this, dude. This is garbage. Don't fall for this stuff. This can seem pretty elaborate. This is live now, and you see this kind of stuff, but this is 115% not true. These dudes are scammers, and you send these guys your money, you're gonna lose it. I didn't know if this video would get pulled off quickly or not, so I didn't set up properly. But I wanted to jump in on this live stream and get this recording taken care of because it's something I've been meaning to work on for a while. I don't think a written blog does this one justice. This is just obscene. I'm extremely sorry for anyone who sends money to these people, and I really want to make everyone aware that this is garbage. I'm not going to say that these people won't host an event like this because I don't know much about Vitalik Buterin, but or Elon Musk, but this is garbage. This is garbage. You guys can easily just check. I mean, obviously, someone will see that and they'll be like, oh, 427K subscribers, it's legit. Bro, just go look at the YouTube channel. I mean, it's not that hard. Look, dude, this is obviously fake. I never even posted that. All this dude's stuff was uploaded 17 hours ago. 17 hours ago. 17 hours ago. Look at this dude's stuff. He just ripped off my profile 17 hours ago. Everything's from 17 hours ago. This dude took a screenshot of everything from my account, posted everything from my story. Look at that, 16 hours ago. This dude just made this spoof account. Just a while ago, he had 5,000 followers. Now he's already got 6,270 followers. This is a bot, bro. This is a bot. I'm not even following these people. Look at the people I'm following. I'm not even following these people, bro. This is a bot. This is me. This is me. This is Deadly Crypto. Only one of me. Jeez, I hate scammers. Sorry, guys. All right. So while we're here, give my YouTube channel a check if you haven't yet. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Thanks for watching.